Welcome to Survivalist Camping 101, Essential Beginner's Guide. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a first-timer, this video will show you the fundamental skills you need to enjoy the great outdoors while prepared for anything. In this guide, we'll cover the necessary gear, techniques, and skills for any situation that might arise. To start off, you'll need the right gear. This includes a sturdy tent, sleeping bag, and backpack. Look for quality gear that can handle harsh weather conditions and make sure it fits comfortably. You'll also need a reliable multi-purpose tool, such as a knife or hatchet, and a fire starter kit that can withstand wet or damp conditions. In a survival situation, having a proper shelter can mean the difference between life and death. Learn the basic techniques for creating effective shelters using surrounding materials like branches, leaves, and moss. We'll also show you how to use survival blankets to create a quick emergency shelter. When camping, having a fire is a necessity for warmth, light, and cooking food. We'll show you how to start a fire using various techniques including friction, magnifying glass, and chemical fire starters. We'll also teach you how to identify different types of wood for optimal burning. Finding clean water is crucial for survival. We'll show you different techniques for purifying water, including boiling and using water filtration systems. We'll also teach you how to identify common sources of natural water and how to safely collect it for use. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the essential knowledge for survivalist camping. Remember to always be prepared, stay safe, and leave no trace. Thanks for watching Survivalist Camping 101, Essential Beginner's Guide.